Today is October 11th, 2024. I have a fresh install of PuppyLinux, Bookworm Pup64. I modified it a little bit so you can see the fonts are larger. And also we can take a brief look at the menu F12, and you can see that Internet has a Firefox ESR but does not contain just regular Firefox. My impression of the ESR is it's mainly made for large companies and corporations, and I'm used to Firefox, regular Firefox, and I do find it slightly different. So what we want to do is first thing we want to do is go ahead and download the Firefox. So we can go to in this case Firefox ESR, and then we can go ahead and Control L, and then we say download Firefox, and then we should get a and then download Firefox here, and we need to download for Linux 64-bit in my case. So we're just going to download it. Now you can see that there is I've already downloaded it twice. So in a Bookworm is Control Spacebar brings up a synapse. So we'll just go Roxfiler and then make it easy, and then Control H, and then we can go to the download folder. So what we want to do is right click on that file, and then p-extract will work, and then you just extract here. So it just takes about a few seconds, and then we'll take a brief look inside of this Firefox. We'll click it again, and here's Firefox, and we'll left click, and then now we've fired up the regular Firefox that we want to use, and we can confirm it about help. Okay, so we go to help and get about Firefox, and you can see that this is just a regular Firefox. It's not ESR, so we'll just go ahead and get out of that. So this is the folder we want to use as a Firefox. So what we want to do is put that in a OPT folder. So on a default OPT folder, you can see there's a Firefox ESR. So but we want to just set this up, and we want to simply just move the whole folder into OPT folder. Okay, so next is we want to delete the ESR, but it's not very straightforward, in a sense that when we look at the USR bin, so we'll go to USR bin and then make it smaller here. There is a Firefox ESR EFG Firefox ESR, and it has a soft link. So we can just take a look, and the target is that this is the soft link to EXR portable. So what we need to do is go ahead and delete this, the whole thing, in the OPT, and then furthermore what we want to do is go back to bin, and then Firefox F, and then we'll just delete the link. So now what we want to do is within here, what we would like to do is create a new soft link to USR bin. So what we can do is here ln dash s. So this is OPT, so it's within OPT folder, and within the Firefox, and the file itself is Firefox, and we want to link that to USR bin, and then now we should see it. So here there is a Firefox. Okay, so if you just click this, then it'll be same as starting the regular Firefox now. So that works. Okay. So essentially, you can start the Firefox now with just regular Firefox in the terminal. We can go and check the menu and go down to Internet, and you can see there's still Firefox ESR and ESR run as spot without the icon now. Before it had icons. So what we need to do is manually adjust this, so you can go ahead and just start regular Firefox and then also eliminate these two entries. So what we can do is go to the Genie, and then let me just fire up the Genie, which is already open. So and then you want to drag the a file, Control H from the root, and then this is .jwmrc is the file mainly for menu. So we'll just go ahead and drag it in, and then into the Genie, and then we can see the Firefox already, but if you don't, then you can just go ahead and Control F to search, and Firefox, and then it brings us exactly where we want. So first thing is that we can change the name to just regular Firefox and use the ESR photo. That's fine, exactly the same. And then we can simply here, rather than say ESR bin Firefox dash ESR, we can just simply type in Firefox. And then we can also delete the one run as spot. And then we're gonna just save it, and then close. And then now we have to force the PuppyLinux to read the JWMRC file, so we can do that with JWM-restart. And then we're going to check the menu now, and then we can go to the Internet and browser, and now there is Firefox. So we can go ahead and click, and then this is indeed regular Firefox that's running. So I noticed that now if you want the now if you look at the menu now, you have a Firefox but without the icon. So if you're interested in having the icon there, what you can do is just go to the terminal and find backslash and xdev iname. You can follow this, but and this gives you a choice of icons as scalable. You just want a small one, so we can just use this, and then we're just gonna make a copy, and then go back to the Genie where Firefox is, and we're gonna change this to SVG here, and then save. Now we're gonna close, and then we're gonna JWM restart, and then hopefully we'll have a little icon there in the menu. So internet, there is Firefox. Okay, so I hope this is helpful.